Good morning and welcome to Wednesday, April 22nd. Let's quickly go over today's activities. So I have gone, of course, to my plans and I have scrolled all the way down to April 22nd. Here are your pathways for today. No class meetings today. And let's start with second grade today. Second grade. Here's what you have going on. You have a Nearpod lesson on the life cycle of a frog. I have also recorded right here for you kind of a quick overview and shown you how to do all that. So you can watch this before you do the Nearpod. If you would like, there's a Nearpod lesson. In order to access Nearpod, you're going to go to class link, Nearpod, and then type in this highlighted code. I also show you how to do that in this video. Right here in math, you're going to go to 11.5. You're going to use models to subtract. Do the quick check. Remember, I have other things linked for you for extra practice if you need it. The last but not least, you're going to do reading ELA. You're going to reread The Day the Jimmy's Boa Ate the Wash. And you're going to do this quick little quiz. And then we will be done with that book. And that is all second grade has for today. You do also need to read for 15 minutes. However, your Nearpod can count as your reading and your Jimmy's Boa can count as your reading. All right, so let's go back to kindergarten. Remember, you don't usually have to go all the way back here. It's because I'm showing you 2 grade levels at one time is why I always have to toggle back and forth. So today, let's see what kindergarten's got. Kindergarten, you have category words. This is Mrs. Brown. I'm using some of kindergarten stuff. She's talking about over, under, around, through, across, above, inside, outside words. These are part of our math words that we also need to have. You're going to watch this video and then you're going to rainbow write 2 of those words, and she shows you how to do that. Then for math, you're just going to go Dreambox for 15 minutes, okay? Remember, it takes about 35 minutes to do each lesson, so try to do 2 to 3 lessons today if possible. You're going to, last but not least, you're going to watch the science video about rock collecting. You're going to choose one of your rocks from yesterday and make a pet rock if you would like, and tell an adult how they are similar and different. And last but not least, I know it seems like a lot today, but I promise it's not. Writing, write 1 sentence about your favorite toy. Your sentence should start with a capital letter like mine does and end with a period or a question mark like mine does. And that is all you have for today. Happy learning. Let me know if you need help. Bye.